Hello everyone. You are not buying the HVLS fan for the 5-6 years. You are buying the HVLS fan for the at least 20 to 25 years. So it is very much important to understand the technical aspects while finalizing the HVLS fans. The first thing, the popular technology in the HVLS fan today is the PMSM technology. Just saying the PMSM technology is just like saying a car. But which car? 4 crore rupees car or the 4 lakh rupees car? The technical aspects is need to be taken care very effectively. First of all, you have to understand the motor technology. How the company has solved the motor problem, how company has solved the temperature issues in the motor. That is very much important because that is directly associated with the life of the motor. The second point is how the company has solved the safety problems. The HVLS fan is hanged on the roof, and HVLS fan has an approximate weight of 130 kilograms to 150 kilograms. At that much of kilograms, you have to take care of the safety of the fan. And the third point is the safety of the blades also. The blade safety, that means how many numbers of blade are there, what are the thickness of the blades. Those points need to be considered effectively. Apart from all these things, you need to consider the experience of the company. How experienced is the company? Because in our industry, what happens, many companies are there in the industrial things, but those companies are very much dependent on the manufacturers. Whereas you have to select the right manufacturer, you just not have to select the traders, because the traders does not have the winding and all the diagrams of the motor. So let us assume something has happened into the motor and you need the maintenance. Does that company has the winding machines? Does that company has the magnet stocks or magnet dies? And the third point is, does that company has its own workshop? These are the most important aspects, because you cannot rely on the traders. You have to find the right manufacturer for the HVLS fan, because the fan is a capital investment. Thank you.